We have to call Martin. Martin! Woo! Welcome to the Netherlands. Please.
Well,
show
I
us.
can just tell you.
Yeah.
I can just tell you, looking at this thing, this is extremely stout power supply. First of all, you can tell by the weight, so it's got a nice solid transformer. And then look at the parts in here. You know, we've got computer grade caps, electrolytics. I mean, this is done well. He's got a big WEMA right in here.
Caps.
These are super caps.
No, the blue ones.
Oh, these little guys in here. Okay, so super capacitors.
Like that's 12,000 microfarad.
Yeah.
That's 10 farads.
Oh.
So 10,
All together, 10 farad. All four.
Together it's 2.5 because they're in series.
Oh, okay.
That's 2.5 farads. So it's,
okay, that's a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, I used to have a 1 farad cap in my car audio.
Yeah,
it was huge.
Yeah.
Remember audio control?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a beautiful piece. You guys ought to check out these Farad power supplies.
And this is a small one.
You know, I'm going to be ordering one when I get back, just to check them out.
Yeah.
It looks like good stuff. Because I use a.
I can recommend
what
them.
do I use? I use Keesees
Yeah.
for my Switch. A Keesees.
Yeah.
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 So.
Far. Long way to go.
Yeah. That's always, everybody has their ideas.
Yeah, sure.
And
Sure, of course.
the big advantage from the Farad is that it's what I told you about the transformer. It's based on that, very good rectification. A lot of HF filtering, like you also see the choke here. It's an HF choke.
Sure. Okay. Yep.
Then it goes to a first regulator, which charges the supercaps.
Gotcha.
And then you have a second regulator, it's a low noise regulator, which works from the supercaps directly into the output. It's very short lines. Filter output cap, so very fast, very high transient. Also, you see, look there, there's a choke again.
Oh,
it's a
look
post
at that little
filter,
guy. Okay.
HF noise. It's done after the regulators to also get every residual noise, which still is there. Out.
Sure. Okay.
And it gives a very fast and very clean, very wide bandwidth.
And look at the fuse like that. You can
That's
just tell from
standard.
it comes standard in here, but you can see that it's gold plated. So it's like, you didn't chintz out. It's how much are these? What's retail on one of these?
These supplies are 595
€595
ex VAT.
Yeah.
So that's
Beautiful.
that's the basic model. We also have the Super 10.
Yeah.
In a few months, the Super 6.
Let's go to the Super 10.
Yeah.
And the Super ATX.
Right,
It's a big news. It's now the final prototype. I
Oh,
hope.
nice.
Can I shove it out a little bit?
Yeah. That's a completely figures
Plug it
like
right
that.
into the ATX.
Kan ik nog iets aanschuiven?
It's a full ATX power supply.
This is the newest.
Sweet.
You saw a prototype in my rig.
Wow.
And this one side because there's double PCBs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Jeez.
So one transformer for the processor, one transformer for the motherboard, and one for the peripherals.
Oh, sweet.
And so it has ATX output, it has a processor output, and 2 peripheral outputs with 5 and 12 volts. So you can also use it to feed clocks, switches, and everything. And this will be the center of a digital system.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, and
And
it's
you
now
pulled- you
tested
pulled
to
it.
the max.
You pulled the poly off this, huh?
No, it's
Yeah,
just,
they came
just
that
how they are. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think there's foil, maybe. I
There's
don't
some
know.
people
It's automotive
Pull that
capacitors.
off, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
You have those people who pull off.
Yeah, exactly, right? Yeah. Do you
I
really?
won't, I won't
I know.
say any names, but
okay, whatever. Okay, it's cool.
yeah. So that's the test bench.
Got it. Okay, the burn-in rack, yeah.
Yeah, it's not burning but testing. It's a
Oh,
dynamic tester. So every second
Yep.
it changes current between 0 and 3 amperes for the Super Free,
Oh, got you. Okay.
and with an average about 2. So it's really put to the test. It really get hot.
Okay.
And
Nice.
if they survive that one day, then they're
Yep. And they go.
then it can be sold. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's also this one is also now testing
Nice.
for 1 week straight. Pulling out the plug and putting it in again.
Sure. Yeah.
Shorting it out, things out, and
Oh, yeah.
just to know for sure it's okay.
Just see how resilient it is.
Yeah. Yeah, they are fully protected, and you can short them. You can do everything with them. It's impossible to get them. You get an error, but you don't.
But
they
not
won't
throwing in
start.
water, that's not good.
Oh, probably. If demineralized, it will work.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's and this is the testing and the building and the
Yep.
shipping
Sure.
department. Cables.
Yeah.
That's the problem with DC supplies. You have a lot of cables
Oh yeah.
because you have all loads have different cables and with different quality, resulting in hundreds of cables. Yeah. This is the Super 10 stock. Take one. It's the big one.
Wow.
This is the award-winning one because it has 3 reviews and 3 awards. So it's a very good track record so far. It's in fact the same, only it's 10 amperes. It has a lot of regulators parallel to reduce noise even lower. Fully foil output stage. Bigger transformer, shielded, one extra shield, so it's casted in metal. Choke also casted in, much more supercaps. And standardly it has synergistic research views and also the NCF FE09 of Furatech. Yeah, that's very short what it does, and it's very stable. And it has current compensation.
You put a synergistic fuse in there?
Yeah, that's
That's the way it comes with. Oh,
yeah.
That's I got you. Interesting.
And
That's beautiful.
it's current compensated, so it's
Leave it out because I'll do a video in a second after he's done.
No, I'm done. Thank you.